here's a great example. This is actually a custom report that's been created and not a standard report. And I want to point out that Intacct has built in, so the financial report writer and the custom report writer, and there's two versions of it. There's a normal custom report writer and an interactive custom report writer. And all three are built into the product. They are not separate products. So I know in Sage 100, we have Crystal Reports, which is a separate product, but it's the integration is pretty nice. But the problem with Crystal Reports, and like I said, I love it, but it's difficult for just your average user to create a report using Crystal. You really have to be familiar with the product to create the report, where in Intacct we have these products already built into the system. You're not having to go outside. And I know for the same thing with the financial report writer in Sage 100, it's very, very old. Most people don't use it. Most people use either the standard reports in Sage 100 or they use an outside product. So I'm going to show you a couple of, here, let's look at the right side real quick just so you can see, yes, it does fancy graphs. You can do a line graph, you can do a bar graph, pie charts, and this down here is basically all the approvals. You can do approved journal entries, like if it's a controller, their journal entries or payments will automatically pop up right on the screen, makes it easy.